In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to write simple scripts like walking through a trigger and triggering a sound. Let's get started. In my scene, I have a Unity character controller already in place, and I have a object named teleporter from a different test that doesn't have anything on it right now. We'll deactivate the script that we need for this video. The first thing we need to do is prompt ChatGPT or whatever AI you're using on what we want to get done. So we open it up and we write a Unity 6 script that plays a sound when the player enters a trigger. See what it comes up with. Okay, so this is what it comes up with. We're gonna name it play sound on trigger. I already have a script like this from testing it, but we can just replace it with what's here. So we're gonna copy it. All you have to do is create your script. If you don't know how, you go to create, mono behavior script, click that, it'll generate it. I'm not gonna create this script, so I'm going to just delete that. And then you just make sure you give it the name the same as on the script that it was generated. So in here, I'm gonna open this script up from the test, and it looks like it's a little bit different. So we'll see if it works the same from when I was testing it out. I'm gonna Control A and Control V, replace it all, and go back to Unity and see what it comes up with. AI will give you a pretty much different script every time you give it a prompt, so you're gonna get some variation. Let's open up the teleporter object, whatever object you create. The object just has to have a box collider with is trigger selected on the right side over here in the inspector. So we click on the object, we drag in play sound. So it has the option for volume and sound clip. I think it just added the volume as extra from the test, but that's fine. So all we got to do is drag the sound that we had AI create into the sound clip area and press play, and it should work. There you go. You had that beep. You walk through the trigger and the audio is played. It's that simple. Okay, so remember, using AI is not an alternative for taking out all your code or completely replacing you as a programmer. But it is a helpful tool, and it is a way to speed up production. This will save you lots of time from looking up on forums or watching videos on how to do things. You can quickly give AI a quick prompt and have it generate simple scripts for you to speed up production. I wouldn't recommend using it on building out a full game or complex systems because it gets really complex and it usually fails at that, and you're not really learning that way. But for simple tasks like this, it's a good system, it's a good tool, and I would definitely utilize it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.